Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the future of AI and crypto. Today we're diving deep into Bittensor Subnets and why investing in them feels a lot like betting on the internet back in the 90s. If you're into decentralized tech, AI innovation, or just hunting for the next big thing, stick around. This could be your ticket to the AI revolution. So, what is Bittensor? Think of it as the decentralized backbone for AI, like TCP/IP was for the internet. It's an open network where machine intelligence is tokenized, permissionless, and incentivized through proof of contribution. Subnets are the specialized ecosystems within Bittensor, mini-markets for things like compute power, data, or AI models. Investing in them, it's like picking early winners in a vast growing network. Let's talk numbers. Remember Amazon in 1997? It IPO'd at around $300 million valuation. Tiny compared to today's trillions, but massive for its time. Google in 2004, about $23 billion at IPO, and look where it is now. Fast forward to AI leaders in 2025. OpenAI is valued at over $80 billion. Anthropic's pushing $40 billion after big investments from Amazon and Google. And we've got nearly 500 AI unicorns totaling $2.7 trillion in value. These sky-high valuations for centralized AI giants are eerily similar to those early internet darlings, hyped, transformative, but still in their growth phase. The difference? Bittensor's subnets are decentralized, making them even more accessible for early investors. Investing in top AI companies like OpenAI or Anthropic means backing centralized behemoths with billion-dollar backers. Think Microsoft or Amazon pouring in funds. It's safe, but the upside is capped because they're already valued in the tens of billions. Subnets, on the other hand, are like investing in niche internet startups during the dot-com boom. Think early e-commerce sites or search engines before they dominated. You stake Tau tokens on promising subnets, earning yields based on their performance and emissions. It's riskier, sure, but the potential returns are asymmetric. Subnets compete in a merit-based system. Good ones attract more stake and rewards, poor ones fade. It's decentralized venture capital for AI infrastructure. You might wonder, if subnets are so revolutionary, why aren't their valuations through the roof? Well, it's early days, much like the internet in 1995, when adoption was low and tech barriers were high. In 2025, many subnets are still nascent, with low liquidity, high speculation, and emissions diluting supply. Technical expertise is needed to participate, slowing mass adoption. Market caps are often under $100 million, even for top performers, because the ecosystem is just hitting stride. Over 150 active subnets, but real-world usage is ramping up. Plus, things like aggressive token emissions and competition keep prices grounded. But as demand for decentralized AI grows, these could explode, just like early internet stocks did once infrastructure matured. Let's highlight a few standout subnets that are crushing it right now. First up, SN42 Chutes. This one's all about serverless compute for decentralized AI, like AWS on-chain. It's got 12.4% validator weight and a market cap around $75 million. Huge potential for scalable AI tasks. Then there's SN19 NineteenAI, focused on advanced AI models, pulling in 11.6% weight. It's innovating in machine learning incentives, making it a go-to for devs building next-gen intelligence. Don't sleep on SN8 PTN. At 9.3% weight, it's powering token-driven AI infrastructure with solid yields. And for high-yield plays, check SN64 Celium at 117.5% APY for compute markets, or SN51 DeepML at 95.3% for deep learning apps. These are just a taste. Over 150 subnets mean endless opportunities. Want to dive deeper? Here are some killer resources to get you up to speed. Start with learnedbittensor.org, simple guides, tutorials, and breakdowns for beginners. Head to bittensor.com/about for the official vision. It's like a blueprint for decentralized AI markets. YouTube has gems like Bittensor Explained videos or top 5 Bittensor subnets to watch. Great for visual learners. For hands-on, check taostats.io for real-time subnet data, emissions, and stats. And don't forget the Bittensor docs. They cover everything from staking to subnet creation. One resource that stands out? The Revenue Search podcast hosted by Mark Creaser and Siam Kidd from DSV Fund. This show's all about cutting through the hype, diving into subnet revenues, builder interviews, and real economics in Bittensor. Episodes like Chats with Subnet founders on yields and strategies are gold for investors. If you're serious about Bittensor, subscribe. It's hosted by DSV pros who live and breathe this space. Speaking of DSV, they're the first hedge fund focused exclusively on Bittensor Subnets. Think protocol-level exposure to decentralized AI, aiming to outperform Bitcoin by investing in early subnets, yields, and infrastructure. They're TO native with seed capital from directors and a portfolio backing top teams like those in Celium and PTN. In the description, you'll find a link to DSV, https rebrand.ly DSV hedge fund. Book a confidential call or grab their investor deck to explore asymmetric AI opportunities. If this video fired you up, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which subnet are you eyeing? Thanks for watching. Let's build the future of intelligence together.